Honorable Chairman, कल मैंने इस आर्टिकल पर अपना भाषण शुरू किया था। स्पीकर ने कहा था कि इसे रूल के मुताबिक किया जाए, तो अब मैं चाहता हूं कि ये जो आर्टिकल है ये ऑथेंटिकेट किया जाए। आप ऑथेंटिकेट कीजिए और मैं इस पे बात करना चाहता हूं। हाँ, मैं दे रहा हूं ना, दिया है मैंने, दे रहा हूं, ये रहा, यही मैं कर रहा हूं। तो
Okay.
माने
Give it authenticated.
सर, दिस
Please
इज
table it.
टेबल इट प्लीज।
Table public.
Please table it. We
Speaker
will
sir,
examine it and we'll get back to you.
Chairman, right?
And
Chairman sir,
yeah,
I have
please
authenticated the article.
Please continue on Honorable President's speech.
Yes. So, as I said yesterday, very important matter in the President's speech is the matter of national security and our relationship between us and the Chinese and the Pakistanis. There is a very important matter that is quoted inside this article that I have authenticated, which speaks about the reaction of the Prime Minister and
Sir, I'm once again. No. Please.
No, sir.
Once again.
Sir.
No, once again. Sir, I'm once again requesting you to please restrict yourself to the speech of the Honorable President.
Sir, Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister is trying to mislead the House. Of course, he called us, me and Gaurav Gogoi. Sir, please.
Sir,
Because Parliamentary Affairs Minister
when Honorable
quoted me.
LOP is standing.
Yes, he quoted me.
Sir, when Honorable
That's why
LOP is standing.
I want to give a
When
clarification.
Honorable
on that.
LOP is standing, you are
Please allow me
speaking.
to give a clarification, sir.
No,
Please allow me. 1 minute.
no, sir. When Honorable LOP is
1
standing,
minute.
you are speaking.
1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Sir, 1 minute.
Please permit him to speak.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister took my name. There was 1 minute clarification.
No, sir. Please permit him to speak.
What
He's
is
already
this, sir?
started his speech, sir. He
Sir, what
started
is
his
this?
speech, sir. Let him speak.
Our Speaker, what was the Speaker's ruling yesterday? Don't quote the book, don't quote the magazine. This was the only ruling of the Speaker. But, sir,
No, sir. Please listen to me. He started his speech.
So
Please let him continue. He started his
I need a
speech. Let him
clarification
continue his
because
speech.
Parliamentary Affairs
He's
Minister
Honorable,
quoted me.
Honorable
He took
LOP.
my name.
Sir, what is, see, you want him to speak or not?
This is only for, this house is only for them. This is not for us. What is this? This house is only for them.
No, once again. Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. Honorable Rahul ji, please speak. Please continue to speak.
Speaker sir, if the issue is about me quoting a magazine which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly, no problem, but I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Yeah.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker
Rahul
sir,
Gandhi ji,
Chairman
please
sir,
listen.
Chairman sir,
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking
What
on
are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker sir.
and yesterday-
Sir, Speaker sir,
and yesterday-
one second. Speaker sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir.
One second. Speaker sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Speaker has
It
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I am being given, Speaker sir.
Yeah.
I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission. It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349, under Rule 349, no. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give opportunity to others to speak. If you don't want LOP to speak, I will have to give opportunity to others to speak. No, please listen. I am giving opportunity. ये नहीं चलेगा. Honorable LOP will speak. He can speak. He doesn't require your support. He will speak.
1 second, please. Chairman, sir. Chairman, sir. Speaker, sir, I am...
Please, 1 second, sir. Please, sir.
Chairman, sir, I am objecting to the word permission. That is not the correct word because I am not given permission by anyone. I am leader of opposition. So I'm just objecting to that.
I have called your name.
Everybody speaks with the permission of the chair.
Please.
Nobody
Because,
is
sir,
above the chair.
there was an altercation.
Everybody speaks on the permission of the chair.
Please speak, sir. 1 second. 1 second, sir. Yes, please speak.
Speaker, sir, our President's address was about the path that India has to chart, the direction in which India has to move. Today, on the world stage, the main issue in international affairs is the conflict between China and the United States. This is central. This is central. This is central to our President's address. This is central, as you have seen, to our budget. And all I am saying is I want to make a statement about what happened between China and India and how our Prime Minister reacted to it. Why am I being stopped? Sir, in Ladakh, in eastern Ladakh, there was a conflict. Our soldiers were killed.